Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 536 White Fence. They did an inspection on this. They're having a home sale. They said they found some root out there and a possible riser pipe for a clean out there. So I'm going to put my camera in here and see if I can't locate that, and then we're going to end up augering it out, see if we can't remove them roots. So yep, I'm going to run through here through the basement stack. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out to the main here. We're here at the basement stack. It's 125 feet to the main from the basement stack. Last guy said it was 140, but must have not been right with his footage. But mine says 125, and I zeroed it out before I put it in the stack. So we'll go ahead and pull it back, show you what it looks like. Yeah, I got a little water I just ran through there to clean my lens and my camera off. So that's why you see that little puddle of water in there. So we got a turn here, it's diving, and it's turning. It all looks to be tacked here. Earlier, see it's diving again there. It's diving down to make depth for MSD out there. So I'm thinking this is where he thought there's a riser pipe. As I'm looking, it's just a dive. This is where, like I said, it's diving down to make depth for MSD's line, or Ducket Creek, or whatever they call it out here, the main. It appears to be intact. This is right around 56 feet. He said there was some kind of crack and root growing in, but might have been mistaken. I don't see anything here. It all looks to be pretty good right there. I don't know if that was just a piece of debris that was stuck to the line when you cable camera through it, but we'll keep coming back and look at the line and check the rest out on this. So we got another dive here. It's diving and turning. That's just debris there on the side. You think it kind of looks like a crack, but it's not. If you you look at it real good, it's just a piece of debris. I believe this is going to be the transition where it comes to 4-inch into 6-inch PVC. See, it looks a little smaller. We got the white there, and it turns into green PVC outside. So it's coming out transition here, turning and diving around, turning and diving. So that's just some debris on the side. It looks like a crack, but it's not. Got a wire right there. You got the probably the basement of the bathroom and the floor drain line in there at the side. You got another turn here, turn and a dive. And we'll turn and dives there. And then we got another wire there. That might be the actual floor drain here. And the other one was probably the bathroom and bathtub. Maybe the kitchen sink line too. And here we are at the bottom of the stack. Back at the stack, everything looks to be intact in there. I didn't see any roots or signs of a riser pipe. It's all just turning and diving, and everything looks to be intact and looks good. So you guys should be good to go. Thank you. All right, so I went ahead and augured this line just to make sure. We ran some water and put it back in here and check that spot where he believes there's a riser pipe. Like I said, I didn't see anything, but we're going to take another look and double check and make sure, and we'll be right back.
And then you can figure up your bill and I'll...
Alright, so I went ahead and got a locate on this line. I did auger it and everything. And, I went back in here, I keep checking. This guy said, the last inspector guy said he's 56 feet, there was a clean out. And I kept looking. I located 56 feet out there in the yard. There's nothing there. Like I said, it didn't look like a clean out. It looked like a dive. We'll come back to it and show you. Once again, see is there's nothing here. We're at 68 feet. That's where we got to turn. It's diving and turning there. We got some sediment at the bottom there. Nothing bad. Okay, this is right at 60 feet. 56 feet. This is where he said he thought there was a riser pipe with a yard clean out. As you look here at the very top of the pipe, there is no riser pipe. It's all one piece. It's turning and going down. It's just a connector there to make the dive to go down to make depth for the main. Like I said, we probed around out there. There's nothing there. It's definitely not a riser pipe. We'll keep pulling back. Showing you this. But this line is open, it's clear. I didn't see anything that needs a repair. We got another turn and a dive. See, this is the transition to the house where it's coming outside the house. You see, right here we got another coupler there that's turning and diving. And no riser pipe. Some debris on the side there. Nothing bad though. So it all looks to be intact. Everything's in good condition. No need for any kind of repairs. So you guys should be set to go. Yeah. At the stack here in the basement. So alrighty, thank you. You have a good day.